In conversations surrounding inventory control, the focus typically centers on packaged merchandise goods. However, when considering inventory control for fast food and beverages, a query may arise should stock cards be created for items like pizza, fried chicken, or a cup of black coffee. This query may puzzle many Excel users or individuals involved in such business operation. I will inspire through a cup of black coffee the insights on executing inventory control for fast food and beverages. In general, inventory control requires records such as purchase report to track incoming goods and sales report to track outgoing goods. These records are then consolidated on a stock card, providing an overview of the remaining stock balance. However, for fast food and beverages, a third record is needed to track the usage of raw materials for recipe. This data will be aggregated from the sales report for each finished item produced from the relevant recipe. This information will then be consolidated on the stock cards for the raw materials. At this point, we can conclude that inventory control for fast food and beverages focuses on the stock of raw materials rather than finished items produced from the recipes. In the context of a cup of black coffee, the stock cards should be created for coffee beans and white sugar, rather than for a cup of black coffee. Apart from purchase report and stock cards, the records needed are daily sales report and recipe recap for calculating the usage of raw materials based on sales reports. In cell D4 on the recipe recap, fill in the total sales number of black coffee from the daily sales report using some if formula. Then calculate the usage of each raw material by multiplying its weight by the total sales number in cell D4. After that, in the outgoing column on the stock card, fill in total of raw material usage from the recipe recap using SUMIF formula. This concludes the daily stock card processing. In a real fast food and beverages business operation, the data and calculations for inventory control will become more complex, but the method applied is in principle the same as the small example earlier. If that complexity is intended to be managed in Excel, you will need Power Query and Power Pivot. I will provide their tutorials in upcoming videos. Excellent! We have successfully completed the tutorial. If you found it helpful in improving your Excel skill, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. We encourage you as well to watch our other videos. Thank you and have a productive day.